Hello friends, today I am going to show you 5 best air purifying plants. The first plant in my list is the Areca palm. Areca palm is considered as one of the most efficient air purifying plants. The plants with arching leaves and architectural forms makes it an attractive indoor plant. Keeping them as an indoor house plant is safe for both pets and children as they are non-toxic in nature. Areca palms are efficient in absorbing indoor air pollutants like acetone, xylene, toluene, and formaldehyde, which emits from the furniture, paints, and petroleum products. Areca palms survive in areas of low light area but not in the darkness. They help to minimize the upper respiratory diseases, which is mainly caused by toluene. Studies have shown that areca helps in proper development of children and fetus. They love aerated and well-drained soil. The areca palm is also excellent air humidifier. When potted in small pots, their heights are restricted, but when placed in grounds, they can reach very high tall. They not only enrich the air quality but also enhances the decor of the space. Areca palms comes in the top list of NASA's Studies and Research Institute of air purifying plants. Placing them in a brighter spot and keeping their soil moist will do a great job for areca. Next plant in my list is Sansevieria, commonly known as snake plants. The snake plant clean air better than most of the indoor plants as it has the ability to absorb excessive amount of carbon monoxide. Additionally, it emits oxygen and filter other toxins from the air such as benzene, xylene, trichloroethylene and formaldehyde. When placed in office and home space, snake plants can assist in increasing productivity and decreasing stress, fostering happy vibes and enriching overall well-being and health. Snake plants are low maintenance and easy to care. They don't require a lot of water, so a good watering is once a week will sufficient. It is important to not to overwater them, so feel the soil with your fingers only when the soil is dry, then water it again. They are recommended as the bedroom plants as because of their air purifying capacity. Next come the Chlorophytum comosum, commonly known as spider plants. Spider plants is an ornamental indoor plants. They are easy to grow as an indoor plants, which is quite popular because of its air purifying capacity and medicinal properties. They are effective in removing harmful chemicals like xylene, formaldehyde and toluene and carbon monoxide. According to NASA's report, the spider plant is among the top 3 types of houseplant that are great in removing formaldehyde. For pet lovers, they are safe for pets and children too, as they are non-toxic in nature. Growing spider plants at homes and office helps to keeping many diseases away and helps in increasing concentration and focus level. Spider plants helps to increase the humidity level with high transpirational rate. It can thrive well and easily adapt to various climatic conditions even when neglected for days, overwatered or underwatered. They grow well in low light areas, so I keep them in a brighter spot away from the direct and harsh sunlight. Next plant in my list is the pothos or money plant. Money plants are popular house plants as they can easily grow and can propagate it from the cuttings too. Pothos or money plant have the power to purify the air very efficiently by removing harmful chemicals and toxins like formaldehyde, benzene and carbon dioxide, while also helping in eliminating the bad odors. Pothos are efficient in removing the eye irritation after a long time. Money plant are considered as a lucky plant which brings wealth, health, prosperity and happiness in the house, especially when kept indoors. It energizes the house by increasing the level of oxygen and filtering the bad air. They are very easily grown in the low light area and in brighter spot away from the direct and harsh sunlight, as the harsh sunlight may burn the leaves. Next plant comes the rubber plant. The rubber plant are very easy to care and easy to grow house plants. According to the NASA Study and Research Institute, they says that the rubber plant improves the air quality and removing the high amount of carbon dioxide from the exhaled air. They are very effective in converting the exhaled air into the breathable oxygen. They are the low maintenance plant and doesn't require much sunlight to thrive. The large leaf of the rubber plant have very efficient in removing the harmful toxins and chemicals which are releasing in our surroundings, such as paints, petroleum products and furnitures. Their large leaf look so glossy and enhance the decor of any space where they are kept. Due to their low light maintenance and easy to care plant, they are preferred in many houses as an interior decor. Rubber plants are native to the tropical regions, so they can easily thrive and adapt the extreme conditions. The leaves are formed in such a way that they can adapt to extreme conditions such as drought and high temperatures too.